Did you know that 85% of the web is unreachable through APIs? In other words, your AI agents can't reach 85% of the web and can't do anything with them. My good friend Kyle from Browserbase has created a demo where the agent is searching through the web, downloading files, uploading them to Box, and using Box AI to do agentic queries and questions about those files. I'll leave the GitHub repo down below so that you can clone this and try build this yourself, but I'm going to show you running the demo on my computer and see how powerful this setup is. All right, so I have my terminal open here inside of the demo project directory, and I'm going to run pm start, which is going to start the browser-based session. And I can watch the browser session live inside of their portal. And there you go. The script ran successfully, and it has uploaded the files to Box, and it has asked a question. First, let's watch the browser-based session recording. First, it went to the Clorox company site to download the safety datasheet, and then it went to the government website to download the pesticide product label PDF. Once those two files were downloaded, the script uploaded those two files to Box using the Box CCG platform app with raw REST API endpoints. So now if you go to our browser-based demo folder and refresh, you can see that these two PDFs are uploaded onto my Box account. Then the script used Box AI to ask a question about those two documents. And you can see that it has given a detailed summaries of what those documents entail. Next, the script called the Box AI structured extract API endpoints to gather important information from these unstructured content and store them inside of a JSON metadata format. And then they've added that metadata back to the same file stored on Box. So if you go to the metadata field here, you'll see that all these important informations were extracted from this PDF. And you can see that for the other safety data sheet, this also has the metadata extracted. Now, using these two metadata JSON formats, the script compared the two metadata and came up with a compliance decision and set the status to need review because the EPA registration doesn't match. So back on Box, you'll notice that inside of the metadata, it has also added the compliance status needs review back onto the same file. Now that this metadata is stored on the same file stored on Box, you can do more stuff with it. You can ask Box AI more questions about the files. You can come up with more programmatic workflows using these metadata. You can build relationships between these files and so on. Let's quickly take a look at how the code is written to enable this workflow. So inside of the Box integration demo project, we have the index.ts file that runs the main script. So inside the main function, you can see that we are getting the Box access token, starting stagehand, and then it's going to download those two files, and then it's going to upload those files to Box using the upload to Box function defined inside of box.ts. Then it's going to ask Box using Box AI endpoints to summarize the documents. And then it's going to extract Box metadata using predefined metadata fields. And then it's going to call the decide compliance function to decide whether the safety data sheet meets the requirement. And then last but not least, it will apply the global properties back into the metadata. And then the rest is console logging all of the results back into the terminal. Now, obviously, this is a very simple demo, which is just a script that shows the end-to-end workflow. But imagine giving your agent browser navigation capabilities and a persistent shared intelligent content layer where it can store files, extract metadata, and do further agentic work with your unstructured content. So hopefully this demo inspires you on what you can do with your agents using Browserbase and Box. And I hope to see some cool integrations you build with these two tools.